Okay, this is the existing layout with the island at the horseshoe shape, 36 inches between here, 12-inch overhang on the back, and in the center. No overhang here, 36 inches. So a little bit of an oblong shape with that. And as far as seating, you'd get one bar stool here and one here. You need about 24 inches per person. And you really don't have room to put a bar stool there. Adding up the face of these cabinets, center and the two ends, you have 48 inches of cabinet width. So if we do, come on, if we do an island like this, this is 56 inches across, still only about 2 bar stools, 36 inches between here and here, and an extra 8 inches of storage space, 56 across the face. So a little bit more room, less countertop space, but when we start getting into those angles, it has a tendency to burn up quite a bit of space with those dead corners inside the cabinets. Even if we took this and we turned it at a 45-degree angle, let's see if I can. Do something like this. Still have our 36 inches, but it's left side. That's the corner of the countertop. It just, when we get the angles, it just eats up quite a bit of space. From that corner to that wall, that's only 32. From that corner to here is 36. So anyway, that's what I came up with. Nothing magical, but at least an option. Let me know. Thanks.